Flexing for a living, out here lying for free. Oh, you want that lifestyle, who you trying to be? Don't you love it? Being hated, damn I love it. Being hated, why you press? Why you messes? Let them hate you, still the baddest.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ayana Iman. Welcome. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I DIY'd these knotless braids. Oh my god, I've never had any experience braiding. I don't even know how to cornrow. So this is definitely beginner friendly, and I use the easiest method, which is the one strand piece, to get these braids, and it only took me 1.5 packs of hair and 1 day. The first thing that you want to do is section off your hair and make sure that the parts are defined. Now, that was one thing that I really tried to make sure, is that each part was crisp and straight, because, you know, crooked parting is just not it at all. You don't feel like dealing with this. Also, as you guys can see, like, the style factor, the pink one, I wanted the huge pink one for coarse hair, but I ended up getting the water-based pomade on accident because the beauty supply got it wrong, because the beauty supply is taking orders now. So as you can see, it gets white, but that's why you use the eco styler to just kind of clear it up and get rid of the whiteness. So now I'm gonna take my style factor gel, or any gel of your preference. This one has a good hold, and I'm just going to sleek that first from my root on, like 1 inch from my root. If style factor frizzes up your hair, is to squeeze it like how I am. I'm just kind of making sure that's all tight, and you see that sleekness, like that's how you get that with that, because it used to make my hair frizz up too. So now I'm going to take a small section from my desired section of braiding hair, and I'm going to place it on the side of my head right next to the braid. So one side is off, one side is on. Pay attention to this part because it's key. So now I'm starting my braid. I'm going to braid the section with the first piece of braiding hair 3 times, and I'm gradually going to bring in the last piece of braiding hair that's on the side of my head with the next piece of hair. So combining it with the braid. So my braid is started. So now I take the one strand and blend it in with that middle piece. So that's what I'm doing right here. And now I'm starting to braid with that middle piece. So after you get the braiding hair in with that middle piece, you're going to braid it twice. Then you're going to bring in the piece that I still have hanging off my head on the other side. So as you see, I'm braiding it. I think I may have done it 3 times, but try not to make it too low, otherwise it's going to be lopsided. Now the braiding hair is in my hair, is secure, and I can start braiding all the way down. So what I also do, it worked for me. I don't know if it worked for anybody else, but after I started braiding, and you know, the one piece that didn't get any hair, I split the thickest section into another section, and I just put it with that piece of hair. I haven't had braids since I was 12, y'all, so I want to make sure that I don't look childish and that, you know, everything is good with my braids. Now I just braided to the very end. I didn't go all the way down. I left a lot so that I can continue and add on hair, because I wanted them very, 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 very long. So yeah, that's how you do it. So now I'm going to take another section and do it again with the one strand method. I guess it's called a one strand method. I don't know if other people do this. Let me know in the comments. I found this to be the easiest method possible. So now I'm sectioning it again and section off with my style factor. I noticed, you guys, if anyone has the coarse hair one, it's this big pink jar. It's like pink and light pink. It's like hot pink on the top. Definitely get that one if you have the same hair texture as me. I'm more of a 4C/B type of hair grade. So if you have the same type of hair as me, make sure that you are getting the coarse hair one, because it works way better. Like that one, you have to work it for yourself, but you don't have to do that with the coarse hair one. Yeah, as you see, I'm putting one section in with the middle piece with the braiding hair, and then I'm going to braid twice and add in the other piece. So y'all, this method is so easy for beginner braiders. Like when I tell you I don't braid, never have. Individual ones are a little easier, yes, but still they need to look neat and cute, and I thought this was gonna come out completely trashed. Like I thought this was gonna be terrible. So definitely the easiest method ever for beginners. If you've never used braiding hair either, it's definitely the best one, and it makes the knotless look so natural, and like it's just coming all out of your scalp. So that's another plus. I would definitely recommend this if you do this too, make sure that your braiding hair is a little bit longer. I got the 42-inch pre-stretch, which should be enough, but I like them really, really long, and I want them like long, like past my butt, like it just goes to my butt. So that's something to take note of as well. Like, make sure that it's as long as you want, or if you want color or anything like that, make sure that you get the proper hair. So now it's time for the edges. So I'm going to use the Eco Styler to swoop my edges, and I still use a toothbrush. My edges are thick though, so toothbrushes just work for me. I use a comb too, and like the new little brushes, but I lose those little brushes all the time. Toothbrushes are always there.
So this is how I got my knotless braids with only 1.5 pack of hair from Expressions. It took me a night. Well, I did half a day. I started like at like 4 p.m. one day and ended at 3 p.m. today, so full day pretty much to do these. And yeah, I did box sections on each of them, and I made sure that I had enough edges out. For my edge control, I used Eco Styler, Style Factor, and for my mousse. So what you guys didn't see is that at the end, I did like to write here in boiling water in a pot, and then I strained it with well, not strained it, but I used a towel to blot it down. Then I used the Aunt Jackie's Braid Style and Shine Receipts Frizz Patrol. I always get that name like a tongue twister, but Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse, anti-poof. So put my do-rag on and I went to sleep, and here we are. Wow. We're all quarantined, so if you guys are trying to try out knotless braids, try this easy method that I did. It was super easy. And I'm not a braider. I don't even know how to cornrow. I don't know how to do anything. So I'm actually amazed that I just did a full head of individual braids. So if you guys are trying these out, make sure you send me pictures, tag me in them, DM me, whatever, because I want to see them too. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.